Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we are going to understand method statement for electrical work.
In our previous videos, we have already covered method statements from excavation to HVAC. Now let's move on to electrical works.
Why electrical works are important. Electrical works are critical because they provide power to all building systems. They ensure safe operation of equipment. They support lighting, HVAC, fire alarm, and low current systems. Poor electrical installation can cause fire, shock, and system failure. That's why electrical works must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What are electrical works? Electrical works include power distribution systems, lighting systems, earthing and bonding, low current systems coordination. Electrical systems ensure safe and reliable power supply in buildings. What is method statement for electrical works? Method statement for electrical works describes installation procedure of electrical systems, material handling and storage, testing and commissioning requirements, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures safe and reliable electrical system performance. Objective of electrical method statement. Main objectives are ensure correct installation as per approved drawings, maintain electrical safety standards, prevent short circuits and fire hazards, ensure reliable power distribution, meet project specifications. This method statement applies to conduit and cable tray installation, cable pulling and termination, lighting fixture installation, switches and socket installation, panel boards and DB installation, earthing and grounding works, testing and commissioning at all project locations. Reference documents. Electrical works shall comply with approved electrical drawings, shop drawings and coordination drawings, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for electrical works, manufacturer installation manuals, relevant electrical codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, electrical engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, electrical supervisor, foreman, work control. Hack materials. Materials include electrical cables and wires, conduits and cable trays, switches and socket outlets, lighting fixtures, panel boards and DBs, earthing materials. All materials must be approved, tested, stored properly. Plan and equipment. Typical equipment used: cable pulling tools, crimping tools, drilling machines, testing instruments, megger, multimeter, lifting equipment, hand tools. All equipment shall be inspected, calibrated, safe to use. Storage of electrical materials. Electrical materials shall be stored in dry and covered areas, protected from moisture and damage, properly labeled. Proper storage ensures material integrity. Installation of conduits and cable trays. Installation shall be as per approved shop drawings, properly aligned and supported, adequately spaced, free from sharp edges. Cable pulling and termination. Cable works shall include correct cable sizing, safe pulling methods, proper gland and lug termination, identification and tagging. Installation of electrical fixtures and panels. Installation shall be as per approved drawings, properly leveled and fixed, adequate clearance maintained, secure earthing provided. Earthing and grounding works. Earthing works shall ensure low resistance path, proper bonding of equipment, compliance with electrical safety standards. Testing and commissioning. Testing shall include insulation resistance testing, continuity testing, earth resistance testing, functional testing of systems. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, lockout, tagout procedures, electrical permit to work, working at height safety, proper housekeeping. Quality control measures. Quality checks include material inspection and approval, installation inspection, cable testing and reports, earthing resistance checks, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant client inspection, approval before energization, No energization without approval. Records maintained. Records include electrical inspection requests, material approval documents, test reports, as-built drawings, commissioning records. Common electrical defects. Common defects include loose connections, improper earthing, cable damage, incorrect terminations. Proper control prevents hazards and failures. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Electrical method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 45001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Now, relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for HVAC works, method statement for plumbing works, method statement for firefighting works, ITP for electrical works, NCR, control procedure, KEP procedure. Conclusion, method statement for electrical works ensures safe power distribution, reliable system operation, compliance with standards, controlled and safe execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for electrical works clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.